students, as we have discussed in the previous sessions about different types of 3D shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Now in this session we will discuss about surface area and volume of sphere and hemisphere. First of all, we should understand the difference between sphere and a circle. The major difference between the sphere and the circle is that the circle is a two-dimensional figure and sphere is a three-dimensional figure. Like if you will break a bangle, then you will get two semicircles. But if you will cut a sphere just like a ball, then you will get a hemisphere in which a circular part on the top, like this. Clear? A circular part on the top. This is your semicircular part. Its radius is r. That is called hemisphere. And the total part is in which the radius is r. This is sphere. Now we will discuss the formulas of these. First of all, volume. Volume of hemisphere. Hemi means half. Then volume of sphere. If we have the formula of volume of sphere, then we can easily calculate the formula of hemisphere. The volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then hemisphere means just half. Then just half of this, then we will get the value of volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? Now, in case of sphere, there is only total surface area, or you can say total surface area or curved surface area, both are same. Total surface area, which is 4 pi r square. Clear? Now, but in hemisphere case, total surface area. Total surface area means CSA plus area of top circular. What is CSA? Hemisphere का CSA क्या होगा? Inner part semicircular, outer part semicircular, and the top part. It means 3 pi r square. And the CSA is curved surface. This is area. Curved surface area equal to 2 pi r square. Curved surface area किसका? हेमीस्फेयर का. It means it is just half of total surface area. क्योंकि हमने स्फेयर को दो equal parts में cut कर दिया. Clear? Now we will do different types of questions based on surface area and volume of sphere. Now our first question is, find the surface area of a sphere with radius 14 cm. Surface area means total surface area. Clear? Now the solution will be, what is the total surface area of sphere? Radius is 14 cm. TSA. TSA means total surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Clear? 4 22 by 7, because value of pi is not mentioned here. R square. R is 14. Then I am writing here 14 into 14. Clear? Now solve it. It will be 4 into 22 into 28. Now our TSA will be, if we multiply the whole value, it will be 88 into 28. We will get 2464 centimeter square. Clear? This is total surface area of sphere. Now second is, find the total surface area of hemisphere. Clear? In this, first of all, write down the radius. Radius is 10 centimeter. Clear? The value of pi is mentioned here, which is pi equal to 3.14. It is not centimeter, it is just 3.14. Clear? Then the total surface area of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. Clear? What is pi? 3.14 r square. 10 into 10. Then TSA equal to 3 into this, 3 4 12, then 4, then 9. 9.42 into 100. Clear? it will be 942 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. Now moving ahead on the third question. In this a figure is given. The question is that a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere. It means the sphere is in the cylinder of radius r. If in which its radius is r. The base is same for both. Then the radius of this is also r. Clear? This is also r. Clear? This is your center of sphere. It means in this the height of cylinder equal to r plus r, which is 2r. Clear? And the radius of cylinder is r. Clear? Now first part, surface area of sphere. TSA. Surface area means TSA. TSA of sphere, which is 4 pi r square. Second part, so curved surface area of cylinder. CSA of cylinder, which is 2 pi r h. Clear? Where h is 2r, therefore I am replacing h. So CSA of cylinder will become 4 pi r square. Now the third part is ratio. Ratio equal to TSA of sphere upon CSA of cylinder equal to 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. Cut. It will be 1:1. Clear? आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन द कंसेप्ट. अगर इसके अंदर हम प्रॉपर स्फेयर बनाएंगे तो जो रेडियस सिलेंडर का होगा वही रेडियस आपका स्फेयर का है, क्योंकि सेम बेस पर स्फेयर आपका ड्रॉ होगा. यू कैन डू एन एक्टिविटी बेस्ड ऑन दिस आल्सो. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल डू द डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फेयर. Now our next question is find the volume of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Now what is the volume of sphere? First of all, write down the dimension. R equal to 7 centimeter. Clear? Now the volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? Volume equal to 4 by 3. Pi is not mentioned here. 22 by 7. Then we will take 22 by 7. If the value of pi is mentioned 3.14, then we will use value of pi 3.14. Then r cube. R cube means write down 7 3 times. Clear? Now after solving this, it is 88 by 3 into 49. It means after multiplying the whole value 88 into 49 by 3, get 4312 by 3 centimeter cube. Clear? Now proceeding to next question is the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4. Clear? Of the diameter of the earth. Here, first of all, I am assuming that the diameter of earth equal to d. Clear? Now the diameter of moon. The statement is the diameter of the moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. Clear? We have got both the diameters, one for earth and one for moon. Now we will find radius. Therefore radius क्या होता है? Just half of the diameter. The radius of earth equal to d by 2. Clear? You can take as capital R. Clear? Now the radius of moon. Radius of moon is, diameter of moon is d by 4. You can write as, because it is in multiplying, d by 4. Now the radius will be half of diameter, d by 4. It becomes d by 8. Clear? Now, in the what we have to find what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon. It means you have to find out the ratio of volume with respect to the volume of earth with respect to the volume of moon. Then we will find volume of earth. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is d by 2. You can take that first of all write down like this. 4 by 3 pi. What is capital R? D by 2 cube. It means the volume of earth is 4 by 3. Don't solve it. Just let it be like this. D cube by 8. Clear? Now, therefore, the volume of moon 4 by 3 pi small r cube. What is small r? D by 8. Then volume equal to volume of moon equal to 4 by 3 pi d by 8 cube. Clear? I am writing here 4 by 3 pi d cube upon cube of 8 will be 512. Clear? Now this we have get the volume of earth equal to 4 by 3 pi d cube by 512. 512 cube of 8, sorry, it will be 8 because the radius of earth is d by 2. Now volume of moon 4 by 3 as we have calculated previously pi d cube by 512. Now in the question we have to find out the fraction such that what is the fraction of volume of moon with respect to the volume of earth. Therefore, first of all, we will find the ratio like this: volume of moon upon volume of earth equal to 4 by 3 pi d cube upon 512 divided by 4 by 3 pi d cube upon 8. Clear? 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled. D cube will be cancelled. Now 8 will become numerator and 512 will become denominator like this. If we will cut, it will be 64. 1 by 64. Therefore, just cross multiply volume of earth, volume of moon upon volume of earth equal to 1 by 64, which implies that the volume of moon is 1 by 64th of volume of earth. If the diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, then the fraction of moon with respect to earth is 1 by 64th of volume of earth. Now this is the exact answer in respect of question. Means what is the fraction? Fraction means volume of moon equal to 1 by 64th of volume of earth. Clear? That's all.